风吹的暖，情绪说不完，耳旁轻唤，像是一首 love like love like love。耳旁轻唤，像是一首 love like love。哦，很凉快。上车赶这个落日的景，风吹得暖，情绪说不完，耳旁轻唤，像是一瞬男，听不批的。这个设计好看哎，好潮，这个好时尚。
还有人像不像？
Like love, like love， 踏入这片光影，会有或尽，是命中注定。Wanna let you in, wanna let you go， 某年某月起，I don't wanna know。 I'll be ignorant, I'll be ignorant，I'll stay innocent, I stay innocent. Not a heavy heart, 'cause I made it whole. You're like a coaching, I don't wanna know. 今天这首歌是这个专辑里面唯一的一首抒情歌。我当时就是听了很多的这个抒情歌，都觉得好像不是我要的意思，但这首歌还是比较打动我的。他听完有一种很释怀，又很幸福，又有一点莫名的感动的氛围。然后呢，因为当时听到这首歌的时候，就是觉得很特别，而且也很上口。但这首歌极度难唱，特别是最后那个那个特别好听。
还是闭眼睛的，好，轻轻的张开眼睛，然后低头往前走3步，好，准备要看镜头喽，然后眼神慢慢给我，3、2、1，很好，然后慢慢抬头看到远处，像外景的山和水还有湖。手不动，眼神看远方，你得到了，然后微笑。好，看一下手上宝石，准备把它送走喽。3、2、1，把它送远。然后这个语气我们先不对嘴哈，就是在歌里面我开高的，就不唱好，就是在里面的动作。音乐。好，但是如果没有跳的话，就是呼吸，刚刚不是有总会看远处都可以。
到底拍摄结束，特写拍摄结束，还有一个摇臂的远景。今天呢，比我想象中要顺利，因为这支舞真的是非常情绪的，所以在现场就一直担心那个状态进入不了，因为这首歌没有很悲伤，也没有很开心，没有很喜悦，但是刚刚我觉得还不错。
我喘成这样，雨熙都不会喘，果然是武林高手。
需要用2只手，就是可以用无名指跟中指去点。对。没错，对，这指跟中指。对。
主要是因为他的编舞这里是撕心裂肺，那我的表达的情绪其实是开心的，所以是撞，两个情绪不一样。
Hi Yushin! I'm so excited to have done this choreography for you. Thank you so much for having me. You are going to be so much better at this than I am. So when you watch what I've done, really make it your own because your facial expressions and your emotion are so special. And so I'd love for you to take what I did and really make it feel good for you. So when you feel like being more emotional, you can do that. If you feel like pulling things back and being more subtle, you can do that. I'm just giving you the template. And of course, it's not in my native language, so I've read the lyrics, but because you'll really connect to the lyrics when you're singing them, it should feel way more authentic for you. But I'm so excited to watch you do it. And it's just, I like screamed my head off when I heard it was you. I love you so much and I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.